So today I'm just going to run you through how to create a new SMS responder. It's really simple. Come into here on our drop down and select View or Edit. This will bring you to this page, and then you can select to create a new responder here. Once this loads, give it a name. This one will just put Test Responder. Select the campaign and choose the responder type. Obviously we've got both email and SMS, so for this one I'm going to go with SMS. And then the destination field on the campaign. So this is where should we pull the information through to send the SMS or the email to. So an email, obviously, email field, and for this one, we're going to go for the phone one field. You can also send it to a static recipient if it's just one person that you're sending it to, like repeatedly. But for this case, we're going to pull in the phone number on each lead to send that to. I'm going to untick the fact that I want it to be active immediately because I can toggle that on later. But if you're ready to just start sending out responders and messages immediately, keep that ticked, and whether or not this requires consent from the lead. So once we've got that created, I'm going to add a new message to the responder. The responder acts as a kind of marketing funnel, so you can set it up to send an email immediately once you receive that lead, and then follow that up in X amount of days, weeks, months to nurture the lead then. So for this one, again, I'm just going to put test SMS. So I'm going to allow it to resend. What this means is if the SMS fails to resend the first time, whether down to a dead number or whatever, then we'll try and send the message again. If not, we'll only try and send it once. With your test groups here, you can A/B test different responders, and you can create your test groups here and split test between them, but we're not going to do that here. Again, we can choose when to send it. With this one, I'm going to choose immediately, but if you click here, you can select after however many hours, days, weeks, months, etc. So that's how you can really set up your funnels. With this one, we're going to have it on immediately when the leads are processed, but there are different events that you can choose there. I'm going to come down to here, and we've got the two different SMS providers. We've got InfoBip and Twilio. If you bought a number through us, it will be through Twilio. You can come in here and select that. But for this one, I'm going to stick with InfoBip and go for an alphanumeric sender and just enter Databowl in there. You're going to need your unsubscribe numbers putting in there as well. So as you can see, we've got a bunch here, or you can purchase a new one. This will bring it through here and grab one and add that to your account. I'm just going to pick one that we've got already. What we can do is then add in our text here. So I'm just going to put, hi, this is a test. What we can do as well, if you click in here, you can see the different fields we can use as variables. So if I put in first name into here, like that, that'll pull through the first name on the lead. So whether Corey, James, John, etc. What you're going to want to do is also put in some opt-in, opt-out information. So to opt out, please text stop to, and that number that you've just bought there. So plus 44 748 134 749. And then what we can also do is set up any conditions. So only send these to people that match a certain rule group. So if they're under 80, under 50, live in a certain postcode area, that kind of thing. If you've got that rule group set up already, you can then apply that to the SMS here. Click create. And that's as easy as that. As we can see here, we've got our test SMS sending from Databowl immediately after it's processed. But to double check it, we can come into here, hit the preview, enter in a number here and some information, and then send the preview. And then, yep, there we go. Just got it through to my phone saying, hi Corey, this is a test. To opt out, please text stop to that opt-out number. So that's as easy as that, really. You can go into it a little bit deeper. You can change the lead status by event. So if you only want the lead to go into received once they've actually clicked through the SMS, you can have your leads. You can have that lead status change based on that event down here, and add any other rule groups and things there. But it's as easy as that, really. Yeah, thanks for listening.